Hello, Reptiles, Reptilians, and all those Cat C fans out there. Today we are going to be doing the LEGO Minifigures New Space Lego. 8 these boxes. So let's start with one. Okay.
We got 6 in the pack.
We got the alien spaceship. I like how his torso and legs are of space. It looks so cool. Even his base plate looks spacey. Okay, next minifigure. Next minifigure we got is Space Child and Guy.
Space Child.
Space Child. Oh, he's got a little jetpack. That is so cute. Okay, next up, let's see what we get in this one. We got Space Ranger Man. Oh, Space Power Ranger kind of thing. So we got the Space Ranger guy. He's got this cool backpack. I think he looks really cool. Okay, next minifigure. Let's see what we got. Oh, Space Guy. Space Suit Man. So this one is the Space Astronaut. I really like that one.
Is that a woman?
Yes, Space Woman Astronaut. Let's see what one we got. Ooh, Alien Visitor. I love his hat. He is amazing. Last one. We got, what one is this?
That's the club guy. That's the Space
Orion.
Caveman or whatever.
Orion! Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It helps Reptile 7 out of 10. And now, on with the show. So we got all these amazing. So first, we have the Alien Tourist. I love his hat. He has like a little parachute bag. And then his shirt says, Heart Earth. This one is like a galactic space. He sucks up things. He has the vacuum of space. This one is like a robot that's taking care of a little baby. This one's a girl astronaut, which I really like the pack too. We have Orion. Don't know why he has a club, and his shield shows the constellation. And my favorite one of all the ones I got, the UFO. I love his torso and feet because they show like the starry sky. I am Cat C, and I will cat see you later.